Today we will unbox and set up the WindGo B20 folding bike. This is a cool electric bike that is very small and convenient to carry. The B20 comes almost assembled. This is going to be quick. Open the box. You will see the bike itself and a small box with the charger, pedals, user manual and tools inside. Cut the paperboard and release the bicycle. All parts are assembled and attached to the bike's frame. Remove all the protective foam. Unfold and lock the handlebar neck. Unfold the stem fastener, adjust the handlebar for your comfort and fold the fastener back. The bike arrives very well protected with several layers of plastic and foam that need to be removed. Undo the cable ties to release the saddle. Unfold the saddle fastener. Insert the saddle and adjust the height for your comfort. Fold back and tighten the saddle fastener. Place the left pedal. Make sure to have the one marked with the letter L on it. Screw it counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. The right pedal has the letter R on it and is screwed on clockwise. Again, tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. The bike's almost ready to ride. Twist the bell in place and use the screwdriver to secure it. Before riding the B20, don't forget to inflate the tires. That's all for today. Enjoy the new WindGo B20 folding e-bike.